Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can install the Visual Studio Code in your Android smartphone. To do that I will be using the Termux Linux software and I will demonstrate you each and every steps thoroughly. After the complete installation I will also run a sample C programming code to show you how does it works. So do not wasting any more time, let's start the video. So before I start, let me tell you, I have already created a website and I have written all the steps in my blog to make the things easy for you. And I will mention the link of my blog in the description box so that you can easily access the steps. So let us now start with the step number 1. So according to the step number 1, we need to install the Termux application. And there are two options as I have mentioned in my blog. One is from the Google Play Store, which is not recommended, and one from the F-Droid official website. So why I am not recommending the Google Play Store version? Because it don't work properly all the time. So I will simply refer to the F-Droid official website and the link that is already mentioned in my blog. So go to this link and download the latest version of the F-Droid application for your Android device. As of now, this is the latest version of the F-Droid Termux. For the time being, you can see a different version and then you have to download that as well. Below you can see the link download APK 97 MB right now. Click to this and click on the download anyway button. The pop-up has been appeared because the Android devices don't actually want to download the applications from some different source other than Google Play Store. So you don't need to worry about the harmfulness of this file. You can trust the source and you can trust the application. This is not really harmful for your device. So now the file has been downloaded successfully. Open this file and you need to click on the settings, then allow from this source, enable this and come back, then click to install. After completing the installation, click to open. After opening, this kind of screen will appear and then we will go into the step number 3. So now we need to run the following commands one by one as I have given in my blog. Copy the text from the blog and come back to your Linux environment and simply paste it here and click on the enter. So it will start updating all the features as you can see on the screen. Then you have to run the next command, which is to upgrade all the updates. Okay, it's now done and we will simply go into the next command. Copy the text from here and similarly you have to paste to your Linux environment. Click and hold anywhere on the screen to paste something and then click on enter. Now we have started downloading our Ubuntu software in this Linux machine. This may take few minutes and you have to wait until it's done. Okay, so now it's done and we will simply go to the next command to start the Ubuntu. Copy the code from here and paste it here and click on the enter. Yes, done. So the prompt will change into the local host as you can see on the screen. And now we will go into the step number 5. Now we will install the code server. So go to your Google and type code server in the search bar. Now click onto this GitHub link appeared at the very first of our search result. And scroll down below and you can see the latest version of the code server here below the releases section. So click on this link and it will take you into the list of files as you can see from the screen. So now you have to press and hold on this file and copy the link address from here. Then come back to your Termux and write wget, then space, then paste the URL here and then press enter. It will start downloading the code server. Okay, now it has been downloaded successfully and now we have to install the application. Then to install we will write apt install dot slash then the downloaded file name apt install then dot slash, then you just write code and then press tab bar. Entering tab it will autocomplete the whole thing and then press enter. So now it will start installing our code server. Okay, so at this stage I got an error because my system does not support this file type. So we need to just download some another file from that GitHub link. Okay, so let's go back to that and I will copy the another link which is armhf, because as shown in the Linux command prompt my system does not support the ARM64 file, so that I have to install the ARMHF file to set up my code server. If you also got the same error, please do the same that I have done. But you should not get that error. I am getting this error because my Android device is a little old. Okay, so now the downloading is done and I will just repeat the same step again. As you can see on my screen, now the installation process is working very well. And now it's done. And now we have to set the password by running this command export password equal to under the double quote 1234. In this step you can use the number whatever you choose. You have to enter this password at the time of login into your code server. Now it is almost ready and we will go to our next step, next and final step. Now we will again check for the updates, and if some updates are available then we will upgrade, and then finally we will run our code server. Okay, so we need to now install some necessary softwares. Like now we want to run C program in our code editor, so we will install the compiler G++ to this Linux machine. So we will type apt install G++ and then press enter, and then it will start installing. And whenever this will come, do you want to continue, just press enter, and by default it will go with Y, means is. Here you can see the progress bar below, and finally it's done. And now we have to run the code server. So copy the text here and then go back and paste it here and press enter. And finally our code server is live in this port. So right now what you have to do, you have to just copy this link and go to your browser and open a new tab and paste the link here and click enter. This will take you into the code server login page. Here you have to give your password as you have entered into the Linux command, as I have entered 1234 as the password, and click on submit button. So now everything is ready for you. Now I will demonstrate you the code server with a sample C programming code. So first of all click on these three bars and click on this three bar, then go to new file and you have to select the file type here. I am writing C because I want to perform a C programming code. Then you have to give the name, let me name it as welcome.c, and then we will press OK. Now I am writing a sample C programming code to show you how does it works. So I have written a program which will print welcome Argha as the output. So let me just run this. So to run this, go to terminal, then new terminal, then the terminal prompt will appear, and type gcc, then the file name gcc welcome.c, then press enter. Then you have to type dot backslash a dot out. This is the output file here, and the output has been printed on the screen as welcome Argha. So I hope you understood all the things that I have done throughout the video, and thank you so much that you are watching till now. I know in the mobile this is very complicated to manage all the options, to manage all the things, as the screen size is very small and the window is very large. So I don't recommend you to use this application on your Android smartphone. You can use a tablet, an Android tablet. If you use, then it is maybe okay, but using in this small device, it can harm your eyes, and this is not really recommended. I don't recommend you to use this for your coding purpose. Instead, you can use repl.com that I have already shown in my previous video. repl.com is a very good website which you can use instead of a laptop, instead of a computer device, which is I also preferred. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, please write me in the comment section that this video is helpful, and see you soon in the next video. As of now, goodbye. Stay connected.